This is the Lowe's, I'm sorry, the Love's, Love, Love, not low, Love's truck stop at near, off of the 75 highway in Kansas, really close to the intersection of the 75 highway, Interstate 70, in Topeka, Kansas. Now, according to this sign, it says that 1 hour is allowed at this parking spot for autos and RVs and stuff, not the trucks. But then you have to also customer parking. So you'd have to go in, get something, or fill up your tank or something. Maybe, buy some bubble gum or something. They do have showers, and I don't quite know yet the rate for that, but I will find out. They have a Subway. They have, not like the restaurant Subway, and they have a fried chicken place inside of the truck stop. And the third option is like a pizza joint, the equivalent of a Pizza Hut type of thing. They have a convenience store, and I will find out if they actually have any hot food or prepared sandwiches in the convenience store. It's really next door to a train station area, so I don't know if that's good or bad for travelers. And right now I'm seeing about 10 trucks, like big trucking trucks, parked here. Let's take a little tour. We've got a building, a brand new John Deere company store. Here goes a truck driver now. And I'm seeing very little activity here. So maybe it's because it's like noon. So maybe noon is a very not so busy time here. So I'm gonna go check out the rest of it for you. Here we go. This is it. It looks no different than, well, it looks small compared to a lot of other truck stops. I'd say this is a small. But over there in that direction, that's Interstate 75. Oh no, Highway 75. 75 Highway. 75 Highway. And then we're very, very, very close to Interstate 70, Kansas. There's your sign. It says Topeka, Kansas in that direction. So this would be the way you would be coming in. You come in right there like that truck. And, well, for that truck, he'd have to pass this John Deere, go down here, and then on that first left, he'd have to turn in there if he was coming in. But if you were an auto, you'd come in, get gas. Now, any of these parking spots, they have 3 RV parking spots. You could stay. To the right of that last pump are 3 parking spots for RVs. And then that's everything in this little Love's. So here's the John Deere. And it's a really pretty area. I think it's very safe. I'm walking out here by myself. But it is like noon. I come here to get my gas, my petrol. So I've had no problems here. Okay, so John Deere there. I don't know, what's that? Grainy elevator stuff? Well, that's it. So this is the Love's truck stop. And you, as an auto or an RV, would be authorized to stay here for 1 hour, providing that you do something here. Get gas, get a Coca-Cola, and they offer showers, and they have Subway, Godfather's Pizza, and Chester's Chicken. So they have all these pumps. And I don't know if I have an audience for truck driving, so well, so then you come in like that, right? And you see that trucks to the left, and that's how you head there. The only other little warning I would give you is see, so the train crossing is there. So I would not exit that way just because you could be stuck you could get stuck for quite some time waiting for that train. So over here are some of the landmarks from the highway. So this is the corner of 75 highway, which is really north, pretty north up in northeastern Kansas. And very, very close to Topeka, where Interstate 70 highway is, which is a toll road. Interstate 70 is the toll road. So it looks, oh, and they've got, just seeing it now, they've got air and water. Maybe that has to do with RVs. And then this, see where this Brown service, he's in one of the 3 RV designated parking. I don't know why he's there. Isn't he technically a truck? Well, I'm not making any trouble. So, oh, and so then that kind of looks like the Love's truck driver gas station. So now we're picking up here, people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least 10 trucks are here today. All right, well, that's about as much more exploring as I'm going to do, because I don't know. If I see a lady truck driver, I'll ask her a couple of questions, but you know, why would I be quizzing a truck driver? That doesn't make sense for me or them. I think that's an area right there. I can see dog walking. Okay. Now that this guy left, I'll show you where the 3 RV spots are. So once again, the 1 hour rule. Plus you gotta buy something. So, okay, here's spot. Clearly designated as RV. Spot. And spot. You get three openings there. Unless you have a real small RV. And we could just park in one of these little cars. Right? Right. Well, then that's that. Okay, guys. Loves Topeka, Kansas. It's fairly new. It wasn't here 3 or 4 years ago. It's fairly new. I've been on the inside. It's decent in there.